Radio 1 across the UAE, Ed Sheeran, Chance the Rapper and Cross Me. So yeah, it looks a little bit yucky out there at the moment, to be honest with you. I'm kind of glad I'm sitting inside a warm studio at the moment. If you are out and about driving, do please be careful. I'll keep a wee eye on the roads for you as well this afternoon as we progress through into rush hour as well. Just making sure that all is good where you are and alerting you of any particular bad points as well to try and avoid. You know the deal in this kind of weather. Lights on, please. Slow down. Make sure those braking distances are there as well. And please be aware of floods on the road as well. You know the deal with that. Can make you lose control of the car, okay, if you hit a flood at a high speed. So please, please, please slow down and be very, very careful. We'll keep the music rolling. Non-stop hits throughout this afternoon. More music during your workday with Jax Jones, BB Rex are on the way. After this one, it's Dua Lipa. Don't start now. New music on Radio 1.